Tonight, we are hearing from the attorney behind a lawsuit filed this week that takes aim at a pretrial diversion program in Washington County.
It alleges a man's 2024 assault reveals former Solicitor General Michael Howard and other leaders benefited personally for putting people through a DUI program. Olivia Dunn joins us in studio to break down what she's learning about the suit.
Yeah, Frank, Lori, the lawsuit targets Howard Sheriff Joel Cochran and attorney Johnny Vines and others. It claims the alleged assault is tied to a, quote, scheme between Howard, Cochran, and Vines, in which the three benefited from DUI case referrals. The attorney representing the man filing the lawsuit says his client's assault could have been prevented.
It is the system deliberately not doing what it's supposed to do.
In the lawsuit filed this week, attorney Ben Sessions claims that in May 2024, his client was assaulted by an individual who had previous DUI charges, which were dropped. The suit claims those charges were dropped after the person retained Johnny Vines as his attorney, following an alleged referral from Sheriff Cochran. Sessions says his client would not have been assaulted if those charges were not dropped.
He never faced any of those consequences, and here we are. It led to a person suffering a brain injury that they still endure today.
In 2018, former Solicitor Howard started a pretrial diversion program designed to offer second chances to DUI defendants. Sessions claims in this case, second chances were overdue.
We have clearly established facts here that show that this young man had been given chance after chance after chance.
The lawsuit also claims there was a, quote, corrupt scheme between Howard, Cochran, and Vines. It says some DUI arrestees received, quote, preferential treatment from Cochran and were referred by him to Vines. Sessions says he has 16 previous DUI cases that were all dismissed and represented by Vines, and says these cases support that claim.
I don't know of a single other lawyer that had multiple cases in that courtroom that had every single DUI dismissed.
As part of this scheme, the lawsuit also claims the three men provided this favorable treatment for, quote, political, financial, and/or social benefit. However, there is no evidence in the lawsuit to support that claim.
We do know that there was a pattern of referrals that went there, and I don't know whether or not there was any sort of benefits that were shared at this time.
We previously reported the GBI is investigating Howard for his handling of those DUI cases. That investigation is ongoing. Frank, Lori, back to you.
Thank you, Olivia. We reached out to Howard's lawyer, who says the following statement. It says in part, "It is completely frivolous, and we expect it won't take long for the court to recognize that and take appropriate action."